In this video, I'll show you how to create a watch list inside Perplexity Finance. To get started, visit the Perplexity website on any browser, or download the Comet browser using the link in the description, which I'm using for this demo. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Finance. Click on it to reach the Perplexity Finance dashboard. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find the option to create a watch list. Initially, Perplexity provides a few suggested stocks to add. If you want to add any of these suggestions, simply click the plus icon next to the company name. Let me add Meta Platforms as an example. As you can see, it's been added to my watch list. If I refresh the page, the other suggestions disappear and only Meta Platforms remain visible in my watch list. To add more companies or stocks, click Edit Watchlist option. A search bar appears where you can look up any company. Let's search for General Motors. Once it appears in the results, click the plus icon on the right to add it to your watch list. You'll see it's been added immediately. Let me add a few more companies. I'll search for Microsoft and add it as well. You can continue adding as many stocks as you want to track. Now, here's a useful feature. If you want Meta to appear at the top of your watch list based on your investment priorities, simply click and drag it to the top position. Once you're satisfied with the order, click Done. Now, your watch list displays all your selected companies with real-time information. You can see the current stock price and percentage change, indicating whether each stock is moving up or down. This gives you a quick snapshot of your tracked investments at a glance. If you want detailed information about any stock, simply click on it. This opens a comprehensive view with charts, company information, recent news, and performance metrics. To remove stocks from your watch list, click Edit Watchlist again. You'll see a cross icon next to each company. Click the cross icon to remove that stock from your watch list. You can then add new stocks to replace them or adjust your watch list however you prefer. That's how you create and manage a watch list in Perplexity Finance. This is just one feature of this powerful tool. If you want a complete tutorial covering every feature of Perplexity Finance and how it can help your investment and trading journey, click on the video appearing on your screen. Thanks for watching.